Welcome into 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. I'm a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to talk about FETCH.AI. We're going to start off on the daily chart. We're going to look at the Gaussian channel, support and resistance, a lot of stuff. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. If you want access to our private Telegram alerts group where we keep you up to date across everything in crypto, the stock market, dominance, altcoin market caps, words, consider subscribing through Patreon. It's linked below. Let's get right to it. Daily chart on Fetch. Gaussian channel below us, but we're at risk of running into it. What does that mean? I'm glad you asked. If we touch the Gaussian channel, it likely means further consolidation, maybe even a little bit more downside. Why do you say that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's just look back at the last time we did it, right? Previous consolidation, sideways, we hit the Gaussian channel, right? Let's go look at it. Right? As soon as we start to close the candle in here, it kind of sucks us in here. Then we have the median line where you can hold it. If you do, you can come out of it quicker. But if you start to close under here, it gets more bearish by definition. You can see how it read here, right? And we have our previous swing highs, resistance, breakthrough, support, support, support. We broke that just a little bit, kind of a bear trap right there. And then deviation, swing back up, and the rest is history, right? That was where Fetch really took off. And so, again, if we see that again, right, you're not going to fall for it. Don't fall for the bear trap, right? Fetch is one of the better performers out there, right, in the AI world. So consolidation, sideways after a move up, ping pong back and forth between your two levels, two zones. Top of the Gaussians at 235, right in line with our swing lows back here. So a lot of support. We also have this 50-day EMA right here, the green line, double support right there. So the daily chart, short time frame, we're trying to hold the EMA 34. That's the orange line. If we break it, I would say we test these swing lows, 237, and then that would be, you know, a good idea, right? If you're looking at dollar cost average, where do you get it? You buy at support. You don't buy at resistance, right? You buy it on the break of resistance and the breakout. Right, that would have worked out well for you back here, right? The Gaussian channel red. After you get above, right, resistance, you close right above it. Right, that's a good buy there, right? Look how much further upside you had, right? So you're buying either support or the breakout of resistance. Generally, the best way to do it, or dollar cost average on the way down in a bull market, right? That's also great. So let's now zoom out to the weekly chart, see what we're looking at here. Right, we're above all moving averages, so by definition, you're bullish. You're above the EMA 8 even, and holding that as support, even though we haven't even touched it yet. So looking real good. Last time we consolidated after our, bear market, right? Breakout 2023, right? Consolidation there. Move up, consolidate, right? Hold, tap and hold the EMA 8, tap and hold EMA 8, EMA 8. Little swing low, holding on the 21-week EMA. That's always a great spot to be buying at the 21 week. However, coins that tend to, moon launch like Fetch did here, generally do not come back to that level, right? What you want to be looking for is the upper two moving averages. So the EMA 8 and the 14. The EMA 8 as of right now, you see, check your top left there, is 233. The 14 is at 191. So maybe we end up getting like a wick down here. But closing candles for coins this bullish tend to generally hold the EMA 8 weekly. So good spot, right? We're already down. Let's see how much we're down off the highs, right? So from our high here to our, our lows of this week, down 30%. If we go to the EMA 8, that'd be 33% off of Fetch, one of your best performing AI cryptos. If we go down a little bit more, there's the EMA 14 a wick, 45% off. Like, pretty great, right? Pretty good discounts. In the next move, right? Consolidation leads to explosive moves. So if we consolidate a couple more weeks, who cares, right? You're above the EMA, all EMAs. You're above the Gaussian channel. Gaussian channel is green. We're in price discovery mode, right? That's great things are still to come out of Fetch. So don't give up. Don't lose hope. Even if you bought the worst time, even if you bought the Pico top here at 350, like you're likely going to get rescued in the not so distant future. Right? Just in a bull market, you need to dumb yourself down and stop playing so much, right? You can easily overtrade and do the wrong moves and just try to swing trade right to hell, right? Best in a bull market, click off the thinking and just dollar cost average buys and, wait for Valhalla in the not so distant future, right? Best scenario. as simplistic and stupid as that sounds, right? How well has it worked out for you doing the other way? Been there, done that many times. So, all right. So let's look at the monthly chart, right? You can see we're way the hell out of the Gaussian channel there. Not likely to hit that anytime soon. There's our previous real consolidation. And why did it consolidate there? Look at our all-time highs back in from 2021, right? You hesitate and then explode after price discovery mode comes. If we go down, like the worst case wick would be the EMA 8 on the monthly. That, as of right now, is $1.50 and rising month over month. So if it takes us a couple more months to get there, could very well be over $2. Just saying, for a wick, worst case, what I would be looking for, if we get some kind of a mass hysteria black swan event, I could see maybe a wick down there, right? Even from our highs, I mean, look how much of a discount that would be. You should be licking your chops. If you like Fetch, at $3, $3.50, $2.50, you should love it at $1.50, right? That's worst case scenario. I don't anticipate something like that happening with that strong of a coin, but just throwing that out there in case of mass hysteria. Dogs and cats live together, crossing the streams, bad, right? That would be the worst case. Consolidation, right? Previous level, maybe we draw a temporary level there, right? That seems maybe doable with a wick down to the 100-day EMA. Previous consolidation, that's $1.80. Right? So throwing out these stair steps levels down, all Fetch has to do, right, to get another potential break to the upside, go back to price discovery, close above that closing candle, 326, right? And then all bets are off again. Good night. All right, we'll keep you updated on Fetch. If you want more updates on all these altcoins, right, we try to cover any requests that you want in our private Telegram alerts group. Keep you on top of altcoins, the total market caps, the DXY, Bitcoin dominance, Tether dominance, the stock market, everything in between. Anything you want to talk about. Rabbits, flowers, paintings, model cars. We don't have any of those. All right, I'll see you there. Or you're square. But that makes sense. Let's get to quote of the day. That which isn't good for the hive isn't good for the bee. Speaking of good for the bee, a McLaren F1 for you and me. Silver, one windshield wiper, that's all you get. Driver's seat right in the middle. If you didn't know that, that's the steering wheel right in the center. You just get one. It's not a passenger car. We're not day tripping to Disney in this, right? You get there pretty quick, but there's the back. A little dated in the back, but still pretty timeless. Classic design. And final, McLaren F1 GTR with the 1980s rad graphics. How much would you guess that would be? If you watch any of my other videos, you probably know, or you could do a simple Google search, McLaren F1 GTR. You're probably looking at 10 million plus on a good day. All right, I'll see you on the next one, or see you in Telegram. Thanks so much for watching this long. If you have 57 gold stars, if you watch another one, you get 58.